old-fashioned barbecue. He said, yes, no, wait, sorry. And what a great piece of fielding, though. Really was good fielding. Was Kohli there? Gee, he's good.
He's chipped it up. And then there's a mix-up. There's a big... Oh, yeah, what a throw! Here's a little bit of a change for Australia. Is it enough?
Oh, this should be a directed. Yes! And she gets it. Everything going right for India. And that's the girl who does it. Keep saying that you can't keep Dipti Sharma away from the game.
Oh, that could be tight. That could be the end of Smith. What work by Joss Butler.
Can he hit them? Clark, he does. They'll be out, I reckon. Michael Clark, direct hit. Joe Wardner's up, and he's already walking towards the change rooms. Big moment in the game.
Hesitation. That might have done for him. Monroe with some good fielding. There was hesitation. Tamim Iqbal's got to go.
Shanaka wants to strike. Oh, direct hit. Direct hits are always closer than you think.
Look at this run out again. Just pops out on the offside, beats onto it quickly. And it's all about the direct hit.
Finger goes up. Finger goes up. Just a little stumble and turning was enough. To be out if he hits. Does hit. Rubel Hussain, exactly what Bangladesh needed for a little bit of relief from this onslaught.
Oh, direct hit. Direct hit. When there is a direct hit, there is only one man in the action.
Got a direct hit and the finger goes up and Jersey have knocked out another.
Oh, there's a mix-up. Aaron Finch, mid-on, direct hit, he's got him! What a piece of fielding from the Australian captain. A mix-up Bangladesh did not need.
He's gone. It's all over for Pakistan. Maxwell was a fielder, one of the best fielders in world cricket. Glenn Maxwell got the breakthrough.